Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. Today we are going to start chapter 3 Advanced Feature of Word Processor. In this chapter we will cover formatting tool, shadow effect, editing tool and drawing tool. So let's start. First let me introduce what is word processor. So word processor is a package or we can say application software provides the facility to create professional looking document like letter, application and resumes. Okay, so letter, application and resume we can type with the help of this word processor. Okay, or we can create with the help of this word processor using various themes, visual effects with formatting tool, which we are going to study now. Okay, this pack is widely used in offices, newspaper industry, school, etc. Okay, best example you can see of this word processor, your question paper. Okay, we used to type in word processor application. Clear? Now we have formatting tool, and in formatting tool we have format painter. Now what is this format painter and what is the use of this format painter? It is one of the formatting tool where you can quickly apply the same formatting like font color, font size, font style, border style to multiple pieces of text or graphic. Okay, so this helps us to apply same format like color, size, style to multiple pieces of text or graphic. Okay, perform the given steps to use this tool. Now how to use this tool? For that we have 5 steps. Let me read out the step, then I'll show you the practical. Step number 1, select the text or paragraphs that you want to use for format painter. Step number 2, select the font type, font size and font color. Step number 3, click home tab, then format painter tool. You will notice that the pointer changes to a paintbrush. Step number 4, drag the paintbrush icon on the content that you want to format to another section of the text. Now step number 5, release the mouse. Okay, so here we have 5 steps which we have to follow for using this format painter. Okay, now let me show you the practical, then only you can understand clearly. Okay, so here you can see we have 2 paragraphs. In second paragraph you can see the color of text pink, and here somewhere red, pink and black. Okay, suppose you want to apply this pink color in this word processor. Okay, so what you have to do, just select the text from where you want to copy the format. Okay, and I want to copy the format of this sentence. Clear? Then you supposed to click on this format painter, which you can find out in home tab. Just click on this format painter. Now you can observe the mouse pointer changes into paintbrush. Okay, here you can see. Clear? Now bring the cursor just near the word where you want to apply the format. Okay, then press left button of the mouse and drag over the word or sentence where you want to apply, then release the mouse. Now you can see the format, the same format came here also. Color you can see. Okay, now let me change the size. I'm giving here 48. Okay, now let me select this text word, then now I want to increase the size of this package. Okay, and I want same format of this package, I want to apply here. Okay, so first select the word which you want from where you want to copy the format, then click on this format painter which you can find out in home tab, then bring the cursor near the particular word or sentence where you want to apply. Okay, then press left button of the mouse and drag over the word where you want to apply same format. Now you can see this package also change according to this package. Clear? So this is how we can apply format painter. Understood? Then we have shadow effect. how to give shadow effect. So it is a special visual effect added to an object that you insert in a document. Spelling mistake, this is so it is a special visual effect added to an object that you insert in a document. This object may be shape, picture or word art text. Okay, so object can be shape, picture or word art text that you can insert in your document. Okay, so shadow effect to a shape. First let me read out the step, then I'll show you how to give shadow effect to the shape. Okay, so step number 1, click insert tab. Step number 2, click shape button. Step number 3, select the shape from drop down list and draw in working area. Step number 4, select the shape and click format tab that appears under drawing tool. Step number 5, click shape effects in the shape style group. Okay, now let me show you how to insert shape. After that we will give shadow effect. Okay, as you can see on the screen, for inserting shape you need to click on insert tab. Now here we have the shape option, just click on that. Suppose I want to insert this one. Okay, now after selecting, just drag over the working area. Okay, as you can see, now we have to give shadow effect. For that what we have to do, select the shape and click format tab that appears under drawing tool. Step number 5, click shape effect in shape style group. Okay, so first select the shape, then here we have format tab, just click on that, then you will get here shape effect option, just click on that. Now here we have list of options. According to your desire you can give the shape effect, like I am giving here this one. Now you can see the change. Okay, let me change. Okay, as you can see on the screen, so this is how we can give shadow effect to a particular shape. Understood? So children, today we have discussed format painter and how to give shadow effect to a particular shape. So I hope today whatever I have discussed with you, each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.